How to apply these overlays in Capcut in just 1 minute. First, we need to download the overlays from two websites, vectz.com and cinepax.store. These websites provide free overlays, green screens, film burn, paper rip, glow, and more. So check them out. Once you have downloaded your chosen overlay, let's proceed to Capcut. To apply the overlay, click Import and choose the downloaded file. Drag and drop it above your video and resize it as needed. To remove the green screen, click the overlay, select the video tab, and then click Cut Out. Locate the chroma key option, click the color picker, and choose the green color in the overlay. Adjust the strength to remove the green screen. Now, let's speed things up for a smooth transition. Let's now try the overlays from cinepax.store. Drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video. This time, it has a black background instead of green. To remove the black background, click the overlay, go to the video tab, select basic, and find the blend option below. Change the mode to screen to eliminate the black background. To time the transition perfectly, find the part where the overlay covers the whole video. Split it and drag it to the center of the two videos. There you go, a smooth transition. Follow for more.